everyone, once again welcome to my channel. In today's video you are going to see the method how we produce this groundnut cake. The ingredients we use in this one are garlic, ginger, onions, sugar and flour. You will like this. It's softer than the normal groundnut cake and tastes good. Thank you. And this groundnut cake, we do it based on demand. It's based on demand. We don't produce it anyhow. When the demand, some people demand for much quantity and some people demand for smaller quantity, and it's more expensive than a normal groundnut cake. Bye. Firstly, we peel the groundnut to remove the outer skin. Roasting enhances the flavor and makes grinding easier. Here we winnow it to separate the chaff from the clean groundnut. We grind the roasted groundnut into a smooth paste. This forms the base of our cake. That's in the grinding mills, as you can see. From here, this is the machine that separates the paste from the oils. Groundnut cake is a delicious and crunchy snack enjoyed by many today. We are making a special version using garlic, sugar, flour, ginger and pepper for extra flavor. You can see the paste that has been separated from the oils. Use your blender if your groundnut is small. We now blend our fresh garlic. Here is our garlic added to the groundnut paste. And next is our pepper. As you can see the pepper we used. We blend it into powdery form. And here it is. We will now add it onto our groundnut cake that ginger have already been added to. And these are onions. We are going to blend it locally. You can use your blender at home to do this blending. Here we are adding the pepper, as you can see. Yes. Then our ginger, blended ginger, as you can see, we are sieving it. We are sieving it into fine particles, as you can see. And then we are adding our blended onions. Now it's ready for mixing. We are going to mix it into a fine dough. We are going to knead it to get a very smooth dough. As you can see, while mixing this groundnut paste, we are going to add our sugar at this point. As we add in the sugar, we'll continue kneading it. You can see the quantity of the sugar now is enough based on the taste you want. We'll continue kneading it. Along the way, we are going to add our flour. You can see our flour are being added to the dough. Now we will mix the flour and the sugar, kneading until we get a smooth, firm dough. This helps shape the groundnut cake properly. After kneading it into a smooth paste, we shape the mixture into a small cake and fry them until golden brown and crispy. This is the shape of the groundnut paste we just made. We fry them until golden brown, and here we have it, delicious crunchy groundnut cake infused with garlic, ginger and pepper. Enjoy this tasty snack with friends and family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You will like this and taste good. Thank you.